Did you know that just having a college degree might not cut it to today's world if you're aiming for financial independence or success in your dream career? The truth is that many successful people don't just rely on their diplomas or degrees to attain success, whether you're bachelor, master's, or even PhD holder. Now, don't get me wrong, education is important, but these days, having a degree might not guarantee you a job right out of the university, especially if you live in developing countries. So, what's the solution to avoid joining the rat race in today's saturated job market after college? Well, the answer is simple: acquire a skill. You see, having a skill set is like unlocking a treasure chest of abilities that empower you to excel in a specific area and stand out from the crowd. It means possessing a unique set of talents, knowledge, and expertise that make you proficient in a particular task or role. Skills can be anything from technical stuff like coding or data analysis to softer skills like being a great communicator or team player. You can also have creative skills like writing or design, or even physical skills like athletics or manual ability. It's all about learning, practicing, and getting better at something you're passionate about. And the cool thing is, the more you do it, the more confident and skilled you become. Developing a skill is like starting a journey, and it all begins with learning. Now, traditional education in many colleges or universities often focus more on theory than practical application most of the time. That's why the best and most practical way to pick up a skill are through training programs or self study. This makes it easier for those who haven't yet acquired a degree to get a life skill that can provide financial freedom. Meanwhile, those who have both a degree and a skill will have an added advantage, especially if their skills are related to their degree in one way or the other. So, to learn or acquire a skill, training programs offer a structured and guided approach to skill development, providing valuable resources, expert guidance, and practical hands on experience. And one important aspect of training program is mentorship. Having a mentor can greatly help shorten your learning curve by providing personalized guidance, advice, and support tailored to your specific needs and goals. While mentorship might come at a cost, the investment is often worth it for the accelerated progress and insights gained from someone with real world experience. On the other hand, self study is the more budget friendly option, requiring only your time and dedication. However, it comes with its own set of challenges. Without the guidance of a mentor or structured program, self study can involve a lot of trial and error, mistakes, and setbacks along the way. It requires a high level of discipline, motivation, and persistence to overcome obstacles and achieve mastery in your chosen skill. Although it may take longer to see results compared to formal training programs, the journey of self discovery and learning can also be worthwhile and rewarding in its own right. As you explore any of these two methods of skill acquisition and put what you learn into action or practice, you can start to get the hang of things. Yeah, you can start getting a hang of things. And with time, practice and feedback, you become more skilled and confident, constantly refining and improving your abilities along the way. Having skills or a skill set is more like having superpowers or extraordinary abilities. Yes, they open doors to better job opportunities, boost your confidence, and help you solve problems like a pro. And in today's fast paced world, constantly learning and improving your skill is the key to staying ahead in whatever you do. It's like having your own toolkit to tackle anything life throws at you or throws your way. And I particularly took skill acquisition and development seriously while growing up, where I had the time to introspect and discover my passion from a young age. Knowing what I wanted to pursue early on has been instrumental in shaping my journey towards mastery in my chosen field. It gave me a sense of direction and purpose, guiding my journey towards honing my abilities and achieving my goals. This clarity of vision is a powerful tool when it comes to navigating life's opportunities and challenges as a professional. For example, when I was in high school, I discovered my passion for creativity. This interest flourished in university where I began writing poems, stories, articles for fun. It was then I realized my passion for creating heartfelt expression with words. Before long, people started paying me to write poems, for their loved ones, articles for their blogs and the likes, which revealed the market potential of my creative abilities. And that way, like I perform as a freelancer. So I started doing freelancing gigs part-time alongside my studies and gradually built a robust clientele and portfolio. By the time I graduated and completed my National Youth Service Corps or NYSC, I had transitioned to a full-time freelance writer. I already had a solid reputation and a wealth of experience, so I was able to set up my home office and begin the life of a professional freelance writer. Although throughout the entire journey, I ensured that I dedicate time to taking various courses to enhance my skill and improve my craft. I believe in continuous learning and relearning because learning is a never-ending process. Over the years, I've had the privilege of collaborating with clients, amazing clients, by the way, from around the world, delivering high quality writing services. I've also been able to train and mentor aspiring freelancers by guiding them on the path to monetizing their skills effectively. The reason I'm sharing my story with you is to show you the great value of cultivating a skill set. With the right expertise and you can forge your career path without waiting for the government or any white collar job that might probably not be as fulfilling as doing what you truly love. Whether it's writing, designing, data analysis, digital marketing, website development, online publishing, or coding, a skill empowers you to earn from home or your comfort zone. However, having a skill isn't just about making money, it's also about unlocking doors to freedom, wealth, and personal fulfillment. That's why it's super important to complement your academic achievements with tangible skills or skill sets because, unlike a job that comes and goes, a skill is a lifelong asset that you can leverage at any stage of life. So, while your college degree may serve you for some time, it's your skill set that provides enduring security and versatility for the future. So, learn a skill today. And if you're interested in learning more about websites where you can access free online courses to acquire new skills and earn certifications, be sure to subscribe to Tech Stuff Simplified. A new video on this topic is coming up shortly. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others so they can benefit too. Remember to always make the most of technology positively. See you in the next video.